Hello everyone. Welcome to our video on the science behind plant-based diets. Let's dive into the benefits and challenges of this lifestyle. Plant-based diets focus on foods derived from plants. This includes fruits, vegetables, legumes, grains, nuts, and seeds. They minimize or eliminate animal products. Think of it as shifting your plate towards more whole, unprocessed foods. This way of eating prioritizes nutrient-rich choices for optimal health. Plant-based diets are inherently rich in nutrients. Fruits and vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These compounds help protect your cells from damage, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Fiber, abundant in plant foods, aids digestion and promotes gut health. Studies show that plant-based diets can lower the risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. They can also help with weight management and improve blood sugar control. A plant-based diet benefits not just our bodies but also the planet. Section 4. Navigating the challenges of a plant-based lifestyle. Switching to a plant-based diet may present some challenges. It requires careful planning to ensure adequate intake of certain nutrients such as vitamin B12, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids. Social situations might feel tricky. Eating out with friends or sharing meals with family who are not plant-based might require some adjustments and open conversations. Section 5. Plant-based diets. A foundation for recovery and well-being. Plant-based diets can support recovery from illness and promote overall well-being. The abundance of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds helps reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. They provide the building blocks for cell repair and regeneration. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful videos on health and well-being.